Hi there, students. To festoon or a festoon. Well, the way we use festoon nowadays is mostly as a verb, meaning to decorate abundantly, to make look beautiful. So the temple was festooned with flowers. The wall was festooned with good luck cards. The wall of the hospital was festooned with wishes that the people inside get well soon. Okay, so to festoon, to decorate abundantly, to decorate with lots and lots of. Let's look at the real meaning of a festoon. A festoon is like a garland of flowers and leaves that it's fixed at 2 points and it hangs down like this. Yeah, that is a festoon, and then probably there's swags down the edge as well. You can see that in the thumbnail of the video. You will see festoons on neoclassical architecture and neoclassical items. Yeah, the Greeks and Romans liked to put festoons on their table. Yeah, so a festoon, it's like a garland or something like that that hangs down. Yeah, or so to festoon, to string garlands. You've seen at Christmas very often people put up chains of decorations that hang from the ceiling. They festoon their houses with decoration. Or the city was festooned with hanging lights, hanging in this fashion. Yeah, it was festooned with lights and other decorations. Okay, so to festoon, to decorate, to adorn in great quantity, copiously. To decorate a room or another place for a special occasion by hanging coloured paper or lights or flowers, especially when it's hanging in curves. Yeah, the room for the party was festooned with decoration and different things. Yeah, the streets were festooned with with decorations, with things to make it look beautiful, because the Queen was coming, for example. Okay, so the festoon, it's this a decorative rope held at 2 points and hanging down. Yeah. So what about the formality of this verb to festoon? Because I think you're going to most commonly see it as a verb. I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you would probably just about get away with using it informally, but decorated, with lots of decorations, super decorated. And let's see, I think the word comes from French, which, we have feston, which is a festoon as well. So effectively it's the same word. There's also another word in Italian, festone, for example. So I'm not sure of the origin of this word feston in French, but it's to decorate, a posh word for to decorate. Yeah, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Festoon.